Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can unpause device on Xfinity. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your browser, type in Xfinity and get to their official website. Now from over here, tap on this option of profile on top right corner. Tap on this option of sign in and get signed in by simply adding the information, which simply is your email, mobile, or username, and tap on let's go and simply sign in. Now, as soon as you have done that, you will find this option. You will simply be in the official signed in right there in the Xfinity. Now over here, what you're going to be doing, you're going to be going to the overview section and tapping on this option of Wi-Fi tab, and then you're going to be selecting the person from the connected to your Wi-Fi section on the Wi-Fi tab. Once you have done that, you're going to select unpause all devices, and again you can also select unpause all devices directly from Wi-Fi as well if you want. Once you've selected that, and then if the person is paused under a downtime schedule, you can choose to wake up all devices directly as well for the matter. But once you have tapped on the unpause all devices, you will be able to unpause a device, and that is how it is done. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.